Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you are well and have an amazing day. It's Wednesday, April 6th, 2022. It's around 1 p.m. and the temperature is 29 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am walking across Mahabandula Park Road in downtown Yangon, Myanmar. Let's walk. As you can see on the right side, there are lots of street vendors selling various kinds of products. There are also non-judicial stamp available here. This is a stamp vendor. These are some clothing stores. On the right side, it's a leather product store. As you can see, there are various kinds of leather products here. On the right side, this is a sandal store. As you can see, this lady is selling various kinds of sandals. On the left side, these are some street food vendors. As you can see, people are taking lunch here. There are lots of street vendors. While walking across this street, people come here and take their lunch. People are chit-chatting and taking their lunch. On the left side, this is a colonial era building. As you can see, this is an old building. This is the sound of generator. Due to power outage, people are using generator. On the right side, this is a fish stall. Various kinds of fishes are available. A lady is cutting and cleaning fish. Some prawns, ruhu fish and other river fish. This is vegetable stall. You can get tomato and green leaves here. On the left side, this is an old colonial era building. As you can see, the exterior of the building look like European style. That is Myanmar Agricultural Development Bank. This is also an old colonial era building. This is a betel leaf stall. That European style building is Myanmar Port Authority building. This is British colonial era building. This was designed by an European architect. People are taking lunch. As you can see, there are lots of people. They are chit-chatting and eating food. This is lunch time in Yangon. They are taking lunch. People usually eat rice and curry. As you can see on the left side, it is one of the oldest colonial era building. The exterior of the building is very old. Over there are also lots of colonial era building. This building look like European style building. As you can see on the right side, that European style building is a ultra luxurious hotel named Roswood, Yangon. It was built in 1927 during British colonial time. There are 205 guest rooms in this hotel. It is one of the luxurious hotel in Yangon. During British colonial time, lots of businessmen and traders come to Yangon for business and trading, and they stay in this hotel. This is the exterior of the hotel. As you can see, it's wonderful architectural design of the hotel. This is Roswood, Yangon. This is European style hotel. This is the premises of the hotel. This hotel is closed now. As you can see, the hotel is locked. There are some green plants in front of the hotel premises. Left side, these are some vehicles parked beside the hotel. Over there, this is also another colonial era building. This is former Accountant General building. This is also an old colonial era building. This is listed in Yangon City Heritage Site list. As you can see, the exterior of the building is very old. This is the wonderful architectural design of the building. This is European style building. Have a look at the exterior of the building. This is former Accountant General building. Due to lack of maintenance, it looks very old. This red color building is also another British colonial era building. This is now using as custom house. This is Roswood, Yangon, 5-star ultra luxurious hotel. This is located beside Strand Road. Let's go inside this hotel and see the atmosphere. This is the corridor of the hotel. This is European style architectural design of the hotel. This is 95 years old hotel. As you can see, this is the entrance of the hotel. This hotel is closed now. During British colonial time, lots of merchant and businessmen came to Rangoon for business and trading, and during their travel and trip they stay here. There are lots of green trees in front of the hotel premises, as you can see. Nice gentle breeze blowing around. It's a lovely weather condition now. On the right side, this is former Accountant General building, as you can see. Vehicles are parked on both sides of the road in a row. On the right side, this is mobile phone accessory store. This is a street food vendor. There are some non-judicial stamp vendors, as you can see. On the right side, these are vendors selling various kinds of cards. On the right side, people are playing chess. There are lots of street food vendors on the right side. People are taking lunch. Due to power outage, now generator is running, and this is the noisy sound of generator. This old lady is taking her lunch. There are lots of dishes in this street food stall, as you can see. Some meats, fish and other curries. On the right side, these are some vendors, stamp vendors. The seller is selling various kinds of second-hand mobile, as you can see. There are lots of second-hand mobile phone sellers beside the footpath, as you can see. People are buying second-hand mobile phones. There are lots of mobile phone and accessories here. Also some sunglasses. This old man is also selling second-hand products. As you can see, beside the footpath, these are some street vendors selling various kinds of second-hand products such as mobile phone, optics, and other electrical and electronic products. People are checking these products before buying. These are second-hand shoes. The man is eating banana and selling second-hand products. These are some mobile phone and tabs and also battery. All these are second-hand products. A man is drinking tea. This is an Indian origin man. On the right side, a group of young people are checking second-hand mobile phones before purchasing. As you can see, these are second-hand mobile phones. This lady is selling various kinds of second-hand mobiles. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.